In the 1918 outbreak, it was actually during the First World War, and the Americans were fighting on the side of the Europeans, and as a result of that, there's movement of soldiers between America to Europe, so to France and that kind of places. And as a result of that, you have lots of soldiers that being concentrated in America and then shipped to France. And in that process, you have many people moving there, and they were infected, so they brought the flu into Europe that way.
The virus spread quickly among the troops living in close quarters. When the soldiers returned home, the virus followed, killing about 675,000 people in the US. In Britain, 200,000 died, and in France, more than 400,000. In remote Alaska and southern Africa, entire villages were wiped out. The virus traveled along maritime and trade routes, and by July 1919, it arrived in Asia, bringing death to thousands.
In recent years, they have managed to get bits of RNA fragments from archived autopsied specimens from patients who were so infected, and they've also obtained tissues from Alaskan flu victims found in the permafrost, and they've analyzed these RNA bits, and what they have discerned is that the virus is of avian flu origin.
History and the victims of the first pandemic could help save lives now. Scientists analyzing the 1918 pandemic know that an avian flu virus had spread to humans from birds. It was the subtype H1N1, or type 1 hemagglutinin and type 1 neuraminidase, which are the ever-changing surface proteins found on the common flu virus.
There was a direct infection by this bird flu virus in human beings, and the structure of the hemagglutinin changed to render it better able to attach to the human receptor, and thereby facilitating the replication of virus in humans, and then as a result of this adaptation, the virus then could spread efficiently from person to person.
And that's the reason why experts are keeping a close watch on the current bird flu outbreak among people. It is clear that the bird flu virus has not finished adapting itself or striking down humans. Scientists also know that after the first pandemic, the H1N1 Spanish flu virus underwent a reassortment process with other viruses from wild birds. By 1957, there was a new and deadly human flu strain, the H2N2 type A influenza. It was behind the Asian flu pandemic. Less than 10 years after that, another change happened. This led to the 1968 Hong Kong flu pandemic, the world's third major outbreak, which was caused by the H3N2 flu virus.